Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. Right now is the start of our fall growing season. Our plants are finally recovering from the summer stress and are quickly rebounding with a flush of new leaf and flower growth. You can help your plants with this recovery by replenishing nutrients that were leached out by the summer heat and frequent waterings. Plants need these fresh nutrients and proper pH to produce all that new fall growth. Whatever the plants are in your yard, we have the proper fertilizers they need. Trees and broadleaf shrubs need more nitrogen to produce leaf growth. So our Dr. Q's Tree, Shrub, and Vine Food has 16% nitrogen. Roses and other flowering shrubs or bedding plants need more phosphorus to help with their flower production. So our Rose and Flower Food has a higher phosphorus content in its 6-12-4 formula. For those of you with desert landscapes, our Dr. Q's Desert Plant and Cactus Foods 5-10-9 formula is perfect for all desert plant needs. To ensure that our fertilizers act efficiently, all of these products contain sulfur to help counteract the high pH or alkaline of our soil. Now is also a great time to use dual-purpose fertilizers like Weed and Feed for lawns or Bio-Advanced 2-in-1 Rose and Flower Care. If you're in doubt about what to use on your plants, use a good balanced fertilizer like our Dr. Q's Triple Play 777 with iron. This will be a safe fertilizer for all types of plants and will give them the basic nutrients they need. Along with fertilizing, now is the time to replenish the mulch around your trees, shrubs, flower and vegetable gardens. A good quality organic mulch like Dr. Q's Pay Dirt breaks down naturally over time when used as a surface mulch. It will release natural humic acids when broken down by soil microbes. These acids neutralize the high alkaline deposits frequently found in our soils and makes the nutrients more available to plant. Best applied as a 1 or 2 inch layer twice a year in spring and fall. It also acts as an insulating blanket to protect surface roots from the heat and the cold. Remember, fertilizing and mulching are the keys to better desert landscapes. For more information on these topics, check out our free Star Notes number 600 and 620 at starnursery.com. And don't forget, we make house calls. Stop by your local Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing.
I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.